Hi, my name is Alex. I'm one of the educators here at OMSI, and we have here a create-it-yourself spinning disc toy modeled after a galaxy. To make this spinning disc toy, you're just going to need a few craft materials. Some cardboard circles, or a piece of cardboard that you can cut a circle out of, a picture of a galaxy, if you want it to look like a galaxy its own, a marker or pencil, something to stick the picture to your cardboard circle, some string, a pair of scissors, and something to poke holes in the cardboard to stick the string through. And that's it. So the first thing I'm going to do is trace circles on my pictures of galaxies so that I can stick them to this circle later. This will be what I cut out. And two. One for each side of our cardboard circle. So next, I'm going to use some glue or double-sided tape to stick the galaxies to this cardboard circle. Now I have my two-sided spinning galaxy disc. So now that this is created, now I need to poke holes for the strings to go through. I am going to actually mark with a pencil where it looks like to me the very center of this disc is. And then I'm going to poke a hole just about 1/2 inch to either side. Sound effects encouraged. Now I'm going to cut about an arm's length of string. If you have trouble getting your string through your galaxy disc, you can either use a yarn needle or some other kind of needle. I have a little piece of fishing line that is just, since it's plastic, it's going to stay together. I'm going to poke that through and have it feed my string through the hole. Now that the strings are both through our galaxy, I'm going to tie some knots at the ends just to keep them together and at the same length. And there we go. We have created our spinning galaxy disc. Now to make it work the best, we want to get it as centered as we can and as even as we can. So right now it's at an angle. I'm just kind of walking my fingers in so that I can twist it a little bit. Now to make it work, I'm going to fling it around like this. This winds up the string. It's going around and around. And then, oop, got a little off kilter. I'm going to straighten my galaxy. And then to make it spin, you pull on the string and it'll wind itself up. Oops, it should wind itself up as it unwinds and goes the other direction. If you've ever been interested in space, you may be familiar with galaxies. Galaxies are collections of billions of stars, and many galaxies are spinning. When galaxies are spinning with a black hole at their very center, those black holes tend to swallow material nearby. When things fall in, some of that material gets slingshot out in jets. As our galaxy spins, the jets come out of the galaxy away from the disk, perpendicular to it. When a galaxy is spinning like this, and the jets are pointed away from us, we call that a quasar. But when those jets are pointed straight at our perspective on Earth, it has a whole different name. We call that a blazar. It's kind of like looking at a flashlight that's shining directly at you, because we can't see the rest of the disk of the galaxy. So we have blazars and quasars, just depending on your perspective. OMSI created this activity in coordination with our partner Project Lido about the research of Dr. Jedidah Isler. She studies blazars and what's going on inside them, so we can understand the physics and the mechanics of what's happening in these astronomical bodies.